601C. So malfunction close. If solid valve closes, how do you come to know? You know the control loop? Closing status?
Yeah.
Imran, now we are reviewing the water line, then we for chemical line. Yeah, preparation, yeah. So solid valve, if it is closed, do we come to know?
Yeah, it give alarm on.
Okay. So now we have come in the tank, and there is a chemical. Chemical is coming from here, come from hopper.
Chemical is the manual dosing.
Manual dosing. So yeah.
Solid.
But it can work.
Powder, no? Chemical powder.
Can work for both, right? Is nothing is for both or only solid?
Dosing.
No.
Aeration fan stop.
This scheme is for powder only.
Powder. This is scheme for powder. If you need a liquid, then you need a pump.
That should be installed one pump.
Yeah.
Now the pump where?
Transfer from polymer to
Yeah, for the liquid.
Yes.
Yeah, we have.
Where? There.
It is not there.
It is not there, no? Yes.
One.
Because in their proposal, they propose this polymer.
Okay, I want to understand from you, Anwar, you have got three mixer, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, one is for mixing.
Second is
for maturation.
Third
one is for dosing.
Okay. So if any one of these is trip, so what will happen? Poor preparation and poor dosing. Okay. And do we have triple alarm? Triple alarm is there, right?
Yeah.
And triple. First is dosing, right? For dosing, right?
No, first one is for mixing. Mixing polymer.
Second.
Water. Second is for maturation.
And third is dosing, huh?
Third is dosing.
Okay, very good. After this, if you see, it is going to the system, right? If any manual valve is closed, bottom.
This is drain valve. This is no, it is
pump suction.
Last one is for pump section.
Yeah. Another drain valve.
Second one drain.
Yeah. Right.
And this is going. If this valve is closed, this is PT pump.
Pump damage.